we got it. We got bigger batteries for the Omni Terminator. Time to test them out, see if they were worth the money. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I released this video. I had a friend come in from overseas. I've been busy hanging out, doing some stuff with him. Haven't had time to come back to this, and I saw the comments, and I know a lot of people said that there was a battery, and I knew it. I had them coming. I was just out of town and really couldn't do anything because I was hanging with my friend, and I sure wasn't going to try to do YouTube when I got somebody coming in from overseas. But here it is. So these are by Z. So they actually have two of these. One's about the same. I believe it's 2200 milliamp hour. It's a shorty pack like this. So if you just want extended run times, it's an affordable alternative. I believe they were like maybe 20 or 30. Now these are the premium. These go up there. I believe it's around 70 or so. And it's a 2-pack, so it's not really a bad deal. But these are 4200 milliamp hour, almost twice what this battery is. And this battery is rated at 35C, where this one, what was it rated? 120C. That should give this a whole lot more kick. So we'll see if this thing's standing up doing wheelies and backflips like people say it's capable of. Then we shall see. Check it out. The battery pack's actually a little bit shorter. It is a little bit fatter, which shouldn't matter because we got the Velcro strap in there. But it is a little bit wider. So I did check the battery tray dimensions before I ordered it. So it should fit. Now Rlaarlo does give you the option to take the ESC and stick it somewhere. I don't like that option at all. I really don't. Having the ESC kind of wobbling around, I think it's just a bad idea, and I don't understand why they didn't just do this from the get-go. Look at that. Perfect. Well, hold on, let me get it in here before I start celebrating too early. Oh no, this thing is a little bit too wide. Oh no. It is just a little too wide. Oh no. It is a soft pack, so if you're going to be doing heavy duty bashing, you might not want to lean it like that. It's not ideal laying the battery here. I'm pretty sure you could just take some cutters, cut that piece out, maybe use a Dremel, cut that away. Should actually even be able to underneath take some screws out and remove this whole side piece, and that should help facilitate making that easier. So to me, I'm not into big air jumps. I'm not terribly concerned about it, so it is what it is. If I notice the battery getting damaged, then that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably just take this piece off. We'll take it out and grind that piece down, but for now I'm just going to run it like this, and then we'll see how it does. So what I'm thinking is maybe I should do another speed run and see if the battery makes a difference in top end speed. I think that should be too hard, and then we'll go ahead and set up the ramp. We'll see how it jumps. See if it's got any more power. So I'll meet you out front. We'll do a little speed run, and then we'll see how good this thing jumps. Got our GPS held in by our cool little mount there by RCAWD Garage. If you are trying to do speed runs and you want something to hold your Sky RC thing, check out his web page, man. That's a pretty cool device. I mean, I've had it on strapped to the wing on the outside of a car and flipped it and not lost that GPS unit. So what do you think? Think we're gonna get a little more speed? I think it's possible. Especially with the higher C rating, it's going to be a more continuous power being pushed through the pack. So, all right, we got speed. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, there's more power. There's definitely more power in here now. Whoa! I was completely right, man. That other battery is holding this thing back, but we'll see on the top end. But we'll see. Maybe it'll pick up a couple miles an hour. Oh man, look at that thing. Woo! Yeah, there's definitely a lot more punch in here. I think I need to, yeah, that gyro still, I think even 30 is just too much. Yeah, a while back I did a speed test. I used a Traxxas battery, a Z battery, and one by Gen's Ace. And the Gen's Ace, I actually got more mile per hour out of. Oh, let's see what we did. 41. I had to go back and look at what we did before, but I think that's probably about right on par with what we did before. Look, I said the shock towers would put little dents in the hood, and sure enough, I need to put the foam in there. I'm not sure. You can see right here. See the dents? Yeah, I gotta put the foam in there. Ooh, I don't know, that ramp might be a little steep for this little one, but I might have to turn that, bump it down one. Woohoo! Alright, well, I'll see if it backflips. Let's see. No! Oh, it ain't gonna backflip. It just ain't got enough in it. Let's see if it'll chase a corgi. He normally chases the cars. Oh man, where'd he go? Poor dog. Well, I gotta tell you what, man, I think the battery pack's worth every penny of it. Ooh. You know what we gotta do? We're gonna turn this all the way down, power this thing on. In the gyro mode, we're gonna put the gyro to 0. Hit this button. Brings us back to regular mode. Now make sure we turn our steering all the way back up. Gyros are horrible for jumping. Watch out. See how much straighter it is? See, the gyro doesn't know if the car's on the ground or not, and when it's in the air and it does anything, the wheels turn, and if you land and the wheels will turn, that's when you could break some stuff. But man, I'll tell you what, man, it totally woke this thing up. Now with the gyro totally off, it is a handful in the dirt. It is gonna be, and most of these small scale cars are, they just don't have the weight to keep them glued down like a heavier. Ooh, I think I landed a little heavy on the front there. Ooh, oh, these shocks are a little soft for, I don't know, but am no good at hitting the ramp sideways. Oh, you know what? I did have someone ask about where I keep the ramp set at. So here, hopefully you can see. So you got 4 holes here. Then there's a bit of a space, and then you have the other 2. I always keep it right here at like number 4. Seems to be a good. That way I don't have to hit the ramp with a lot of speed to get it to go airborne. So obviously, yeah, you can move this thing up to here and it'll really stand up. You know, it'll be about like that if you really want to launch them. Or you can move it even down and lower it down, which probably be better for like smaller cars. But I kind of like that. If you look at the angle at it, it gives the cars, you know, a good amount of lift without having to hit it with a tremendous amount of speed. Ooh. When you hit these jumps with a lot of speed and you hit the ground with a lot of wheel speed, you know, if you watch when an airplane lands, the tires are stopped and you hit that and it's all that sudden, kind of what you're doing to here. You're landing and the car's not moving as fast as the tires and everything stops, so you're jamming like your CVs, your dog bones, your differential gears and stuff. So whoa, man. All right, I don't want to make this video too long. This was just pretty much a a trial run to see if these batteries were any good. And man, I can tell you 100% totally woke this thing up. You saw the wheelies in the front. You saw that. Oh man, I'm getting covered. Well, this is one way to mulch the leaves in the backyard. Yeah, with the gyro off, trying to drive it, it is a handful with it off. But my recommendation is I wouldn't go anything over 20. Then it gets a little twitchy, but oh yeah. Oh man. Unfortunately, I never did get to do any jumps because the first my test, the battery died, and said I had a friend coming in from out of town, and I just didn't have time to go back home and charge some stuff. I had to go and to meet him at the airport, and then we had some stuff planned. So, but man, here you go. Those Z battery packs, I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested. Like I said, even if you just want a better battery pack, I think even their 2200 milliamp hour are going to do way better than what this pack from Rlaarlo has. It just didn't seem to even have 3S power out of that pack. I don't know. Oh, what's that noise? What is that noise? Oh, we got a leaf jammed up in here, down there in the axle. I believe that should be the noise. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this informative, learned something, and now you know how to wake up your little Rlaarlo Omni Terminator with a better battery pack, and you don't have to move your ESC to do it. Yeah, it sucks. If you have a pack that fits, it might behoove you to move it. I didn't, and the packs to me just weren't terribly expensive. So I just kind of weighed the pros and cons of like moving the ESC versus just getting another battery pack. I fly planes too, and planes sometimes use stubby packs like that, so I'm probably going to end up using it somewhere down the line. But just giving you some offerings. I mean, even if you don't go with the stubby pack, you move the ESC, you put a bigger battery pack in there. There's definitely more power to be had in this thing. So, All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thank you very much for the support, kind words, comments, and all that great stuff. I greatly appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Join us for these RC vehicle adventures. Until next time, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.